quick update sa progress. Medyo ano pa din, struggling with the schedules for both of us.
If ang question, are we an entrepreneur? Yes, we're struggling, but what have we been doing? Diba? Kasi ang results, hindi naman entrepreneur kapag may results ka na. I believe, hindi lang sa akin, madami ko sinasacrifice. Dami sinasacrifice. Even sometimes our health. But, yeah, because we believe in it eh.
For sure.
Tsaka, aside from that, do you believe na calling mo siya?
Oh, I do believe na calling ko siya. In a way na God set me up na umabot sa point na to without even realizing na God set me up without even realizing na ito pala yung magiging career ko. Kasi going back like sa mga old videos ko, ginagawa ko lang siya out of passion, gano'n. Dahil nag-enjoy lang ako. Pero at the same time, di ko alam na magiging career ko pala siya. Kala ko magiging hobby ko lang siya. Pero I think it's an advantage if yung gusto mong gawin, you can earn a living out of it. Parang I think it's parang swerte ka. Pero it doesn't mean na you should stop doing what you love doing. Well, you can still do it. Like for example, writing a song, pagkakanta yan. If talagang passion mo siya, I think you can still do it on the side. Parang, di ba? Lalo na if talagang you enjoy doing it. Kasi, I think some people, sinasabi nila yung goal for your career is to find that thing na gustong-gusto mong ginagawa and willing kang gawin yan for free. If nakahanap ka ng way para kumita yon, then it's good. But then again, parang ano naman siya. Sometimes yung iba naging pastime na lang. Pero for us, itong building businesses, helping out business, I think it's our calling. Ito yung based din sa mga kwentuhan, ganyan. For me personally, I think it's our calling. Lalo sa akin.
It's good. And in addition to that, doesn't mean na pagka say may certain job and person, like hindi siya yung something that you love doing. Ay, hindi ko Alex Hormozy. Parang today we hear a lot na find your passion, yun yung parang pinaka-goal. But ancestors natin way before, like rowing the boats, you know,
building houses,
Building
building roads, crazy.
they just did that. Hindi ibig sabihin na passion nila. But yeah, like you said, doing our things that we love, like music, all that, doing it on the side, doesn't mean that you do it on the side, it's a bad thing. Man, a lot of times, even though ginagawa natin, let's say, something we're passionate about, there will be times na gigising ka, you don't feel like doing it,
For
and
sure.
doon ka in the middle of it, don't feel like doing it. Ito, kahit sabihin natin passion natin ng business, diba? But, daming times na you don't feel like doing it.
For sure.
So talikuran. But it's about showing up, doing, for me, our duty as men and some women viewers natin. Of course, doing it for your families, for the people that you love.
Yeah, it's not limited about
I'm just saying, kasi bilang a man, I feel like, I hold it as a duty din.
Yeah. So we can only speak for
Men, of course.
for sure. Kasi we
So,
don't know
no discrimination here.
no discrimination. We don't know how they experience, but there are a lot of female entrepreneurs na like very successful and and nakakabilib lang din.
Laila Hormozy. Lodi.
Pero yun, a lot of people can easily, alam mo yun, I think dinala ko to when I started entrepreneurship, yung mentality na people will not care about you, like how you feel, or makikialam lang sila kapag meron ka ng ginawang mistake, which is sometimes nagiging negative part for some people, but for me, parang I stopped caring and pili lang yung mga taong pinapakinggan ko na that really cares about parang kung sino ako or kung ano yung focus ng career ko.
Makes me remember Elon Musk. Kasi pag nag-gym ako, bro, minsan lang music, but mostly
Podcast, yeah.
Yeah, something useful kasi,
Mm-mm.
time. Anyway, makes me remember Elon Musk sinabi mo. Sabi niya, sometimes you have to let the dreams of others for you die
Mm.
in order for yours to live.
Is it Elon or is it Alex?
Parang Elon Musk eh.
I'm not sure.
Then correct me if I'm wrong. Pero, syempre, audio ko lang naririnig.
I think Alex was yun sa podcast niya. Or kinote niya si Elon. I don't know.
Probably.
yeah.
But, statement remains the same. Why did you choose to be an entrepreneur?
Be an entrepreneur. Oh, why did you choose pala?
Una, PMA.
PMA.
I will take now PMA, bro. But right now, I'd say, goodness ni God, hindi coincidence na at the same time they found out na meron ako scoliosis. So, X na yun.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga, even though I so pursue ng sobra, hindi ako makapasok because may scoliosis ako. And then, okay, andun pa rin yung passion, help Filipino people. So, I decided gusto ko mag-law. Maging lawyer to defend may mga hindi naka-experience ng justice, bring justice. Ganyan. Gusto ko mag-NBI agent. For real, bro. Like Batman stuff. And throughout time, nag-grow ako saying na, why did God make me? Dinirect niya ako. I believe I could effect the most help sa mga kababayan ko being an entrepreneur. Why? Well, maybe you'll find out soon.
Soon.
Being an entrepreneur, bro, hindi tayo limited na dito lang sa Pilipinas. But damit pa tayo reach out, and with that calling as well, we could represent Christ even in our respective fields in business. Mas maluwag kaysa sa going for politics.
Yeah, a lot of corporations have their own self-interest, but at the end of the day, change won't happen overnight. Change can start with you guys, with us, and that's what we want. Like yung, instead of, alam mo, nakatungangan na lang, waiting for a change, waiting for, pagbabago lang. Dito lang sabi mo sa city nyo lang, instead of waiting, what we did is, have this dream to really reach out more Filipinos, to really help them. Kasi, growing up, lagi kong naririnig na parang ang baba ng growth dito sa Pilipinas. And growing up, lagi sinasabi sa akin na sa abroad yan, maraming pera. Pag nag-abroad ka, maraming pera. Pero, nakita ko mga parents ko, it's hard to live there. Yes, merong money, pero yung cost of living, it's crazy. That's why ganun kalaki yung bayad. But we dream to create opportunities for Filipinos that even though na nasa Pilipinas sila, they can still earn a good amount of money to to provide for their families, and at the same time live a comfortable life. Kasi sometimes a lot of Filipinos don't even want that luxurious life. Me personally, hindi ko naman gusto yun. Like, I just want to live a good life, not luxurious but comfortable. Like yung makapag-travel ka, ganyan, without thinking na, alam yun, may iniyon ka na trabaho, ganun. Ganun lang. Like, I think every single one of us wants that. But for me, clear sa akin yung direction ko na building this in order to not really prove but inspire Filipinos that they can they can live here in the Philippines. Especially it helps our economy. And we can help by doing those things, creating opportunities for Filipinos.
And actually, ano nga ba yung vision ng Orca Solutions?
And vision ng Orca Solutions is to level up yung marketing dito sa Pilipinas, and at the same time give job opportunities to mga co-Filipinos, and not just giving job opportunities, teaching them
Mm.
to really, alam mo yun, lalo na yung mga, a lot of Filipinos yun na don't have a degree. Wala akong degree, pero yun, I do have like a good paying dito sa Pilipinas, ha? a good paying job right now, and it takes skills, takes experience to para maabot mo yun, pero it doesn't require you to be, top one of your class, cum laude, to have a college degree. But sometimes those achievements can really help you, but it doesn't limit you to the point na you won't be hired if hindi ka graduate. So guys, we just want to give you free value. We want to help out our co-Filipinos, mga gusto mag-start dyan, na like me, walang degree, but meron akong okay na work sa online as a virtual assistant. If you want help in terms of marketing, digital marketing as a virtual assistant, let us know. If interested kayo, we can, hop on a call. Just let us know how we can help you sa journey nyo. We can only teach you kung ano yung experience namin, and we are more than willing to help you guys out to start your own journey, kung entrepreneurship man yan, kung virtual assistant man yan, kung marketing man yan. And ayun, we just want to help out mga kapwa Filipino namin. And yun, we just want to give you free value, and wala kaming hihingin na kahit anong bayad. Yun, we can hop on a Zoom call, strategizing kung ano ba yung best move for you. And what you can do for us lang is just to subscribe to this channel. Kung may mga tanong kayo related sa kung anong ginagawa namin or whatever na related sa entrepreneurship, virtual assistant, marketing, tanong lang kayo. We're happy to answer those questions if we can, and if we're experienced to answer those.
Kung ano gusto mo makitang content, you can leave it down below.
Alright, thank you guys for tuning in and listening to this video or episode. We'll see you
Next time.